Hello children, welcome to computer class. This is Namita Naik. In this class we are going to learn about computer and their types. Children, we all know that computer was invented long time ago. At that time, their capabilities were limited and size was slow. Only simple calculations were possible on those computers. As time passed, computers' capabilities and size increased. Modern computers are much more powerful than older computers. Now the capabilities of modern computers is not limited to calculations. Now it deals with text, graphics, animation, video too. These are modern computers. Let us see what is computer. Computer is an electronic machine. It works on electricity, so it is called an electronic machine. Computer is an electronic machine. It stores data in its memory and then processes the data to show the result. Let us see the different types of computers.
Dear children, do you know how many types of computers are there? There are different types of computers with respect to size, speed, storage, capacity, and cost. There are 4 types of computers: microcomputer, mini computer, mainframe computer, and supercomputer. Let us see one by one. Microcomputer. Microcomputer is the smallest category of computers. Microcomputers make use of electronic chip for performing all arithmetic and logical operations. This chip is called microprocessor. Since these computers make use of microprocessor, they are called microcomputer. Let us say types of microcomputer: desktop computer, laptop computer, tablet computer, and palm-top computer. Let us see what is desktop computer. The computers that are kept on a desk are called desktop computers. A desktop computer has 4 parts: keyboard, monitor, mouse, and CPU. Computers that we commonly see in shops, schools, office, hotels, and hospitals, etc. are desktop computers. They are also called personal computers or PC in short. Desktop computer was invented by IBM Company of USA. Desktop computers are single-user computers. Only one person can work on them at a time. A desktop computer is heavy. It is difficult to carry from one place to another. It runs on electricity. Let us see what is laptop computer. Small computers that can be kept on our lap are called laptop computer. Laptop computer look like a small briefcase. Upper panel of laptop consists of display unit and lower panel contains keyboard, memory, CPU, hard disk, CD drives, etc. Laptops are very light in weight and can be carried along while traveling. They contain a battery inside. When connected to electric circuit, battery gets charged. When the power goes off, they get power from their battery. They are very good to work at. While traveling by car, train or aeroplane, they possess same capabilities as those of PC. They are very popular these days. Tablet computer. Tablet is a wireless portable personal computer with a touch screen interface. Tablet computers look like child slate. They contain touch-sensitive screen for input-output activities. Tablet computers are totally interactive. They display all their menus and options on the screen, and you have to just touch the desired option of your choice. After selecting, they perform the task internally and display the result on the screen. They do not contain keyboard as the laptops do. For inputting the data, they display a keyboard figure on the screen. To enter the data, you have to just touch the keys of that figure with your finger. Palm-top computer. Smaller computers that are fit into the palm of our hands are called palm-top computer. Palm-top computers are the smallest computers. They are even smaller than tablet computers. They look like mobile phones. They work on a battery and can be carried to any place in handbag or in pocket. Their capabilities are limited but are quite suitable for applications like notebook, phone book, calculator, etc. Palm-top computers are also called Personal Digital Assistant or PDA in short. Let us see the second type of computer, mini computer. Mini computers look like desktop computers, but they are relatively larger and faster computers than microcomputers. Mini computers provide multi-user environment. Multiple users can simultaneously work on them. They possess larger storage capacity and larger memory as compared to microcomputers. Some typical mini computers are PDP-11, VAX 7500, etc. Third one, mainframe computer. Mainframe computer has a big centralized machine that contains the large memory, huge storage space, multiple high-grade processors, so it has ultra processing power compared to standard computer systems. Mainframe computers are very large computers. Internally, they differ from microcomputers. Instead of using microprocessor for arithmetic and logical calculations, mainframe computers use specially designed circuits. This circuit is specifically designed for connecting more than one terminal, that is keyboard and monitor, to the computer. Faster speed, handling large volume of data. Due to their specially designed architecture, they are quite big in size and provide facility for connecting many microcomputers with them. DEC-20, IBM 370, etc. are the examples of few mainframe computers. Fourth one, supercomputer. A supercomputer is a computer with a high level of performance as compared to a general purpose computer. Supercomputer is the largest category of computers. They are big in size and works very fast. Instead of a single microprocessor, they make use of many microprocessors. Their multiple microprocessors work simultaneously to perform all arithmetic and logical calculations. This is the reason why they perform very large and complex calculations at very high speed. Due to their high speed and enormous processing capabilities, supercomputers are called computing giants. Weather forecasting, aircraft design are few applications which are best suited for supercomputers. Few examples of supercomputers are Cray XMP24 and NEC SX9. Param and Anurag are the supercomputers that are manufactured in India. Okay, children, I hope all of you have understood this topic. Let us see in the next lesson. Thank you, children. Have a nice day.